the current state of the economy and where we're headed. The economy is a complex system that is constantly changing. It's difficult to predict what will happen in the future. Economists are constantly trying to predict where the economy is headed and how it will affect the lives of everyday people. In this section, we'll learn about some of the most popular economic theories and how they've changed over time. We'll also look at what economists think might happen in the future and how this might affect our everyday lives. We'll start with understanding what economics is all about and why it's important to study it. We'll then explore different economic theories, including Keynesian economics, monetarism, classical economics, and Austrian School of Economics. We'll also talk about some of their key differences as well as where they overlap with one another. Step 1: Get your finances in order. The first step to getting your finances in order is to take a look at your budget. This will help you figure out how much money you can and cannot spend. First, list all of your income sources and the amount that you receive from each source. Next, list all of your expenses and the amount that you spend on each expense category. Once this is done, categorize your expenses into fixed or variable costs depending on whether they stay the same or change from month to month based on how much money you have coming in. Step 2: Make a plan for the future. We should be more responsible when it comes to how we spend our money. That way, we can have a backup plan in case something happens, save for retirement and our children's education, and plan into the future. Step 3: Build an emergency fund. The emergency fund is a safety net for people to fall back on in the event of an emergency. This could be anything from a family medical emergency, to a car breaking down, or even something as simple as fixing a leak in the roof. The emergency fund should be at least 3 months of your income, and you should have enough in it to cover all of your expenses. Once you have this amount saved up, you can start building up your savings account. Step 4: Look for ways to increase your income. There are a few ways to increase your income, but the most important one is by increasing your productivity. Productivity is the key to success in any business. If you can produce more in less time, then you have a better chance of increasing your income. There are many ways that you can increase your productivity. Increasing productivity doesn't have to be difficult. There are many ways that you can increase your productivity. One of those is by using iAssistants. iAssistants can help in many different tasks, including data organization and analysis, content writing, personal assistance, and scheduling meetings with clients or prospects. Step 5: Start investing now. If you are not investing in your future, then you are not investing at all. Investing is generally a good thing to do. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, retirement accounts, and more. You can also invest in yourself by learning new skills or gaining new experiences. The earlier you start investing in yourself, the better off you will be later on down the line. Money growing conclusion and closing. We have to remember that money is not the only thing that matters. The quality of life is also very important. We will have a better life if we are able to spend more time with our family and friends.